Yes. So good morning, dear children, again. If you have any kind of problem in this chapter, you may ask. Basic concept of work and energy. One photograph that I have sent to you just now. See all the definitions: work, power. You can see the things which I have sent to you. What is work? What is power? What is the unit of work and power? Expression for kinetic energy, expression for potential energy. That all we have done. What do you mean by energy? What do you mean by energy? Then different forms of energy that we have seen. Different forms of energy that we have seen. That is potential energy, kinetic energy that we have seen. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. That also we have seen. Then commercial unit of energy. All we have seen in this chapter. हमने काफी ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन किया हर एक आर्टिकल को. So I hope you don't have any doubt regarding this chapter. So dear children, we are going to see some MCQ question here. So see that and write down the MCQ questions we are going here. लिखो question number 1. A flying aeroplane possesses. A flying aeroplane, जब एक हवाई जहाज उड़ रहा है, लिखो a flying aeroplane possesses which type of energy? It is only potential energy, only kinetic energy, both kinetic energy and potential energy, neither kinetic energy nor potential energy. So think of it and see that which type of energy possesses in a flying aeroplane. Tell me.
Both potential energy and kinetic energy.
Yes, Arish Suman ne answer diya. Very good. I clap for you. Write down both kinetic energy and potential energy both. Okay. So always think about the question and write the answer. What is the unit of energy? What is the unit of energy?
Joule.
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 Yes, write down. The unit of energy is joule. What is the unit of potential energy? What is the unit of potential energy? Any kind of energy, the unit is always same. लिख लो, the unit is joule. The unit is joule. Newton into meter. Newton dash meter. It is the unit. Newton dash meter. Newton is the unit of force. Meter is the unit of distance. So Newton into meter. Newton dash meter is the unit. किसका यूनिट है ये?
Work done.
Yes, very good. Write down, write down. Newton into meter is the unit of work. Some advanced question पूछ रहा हूं मैं अब आपसे. Listen me. कि when a body rolls down on an inclined plane, जैसे ये inclined plane ले लीजिए आप. Suppose this is the inclined plane, ऐसे गिर रहा है ये. When a body rolls down on an inclined plane, inclined plane में ये क्या होगा? When a body rolls down on an inclined plane, लिख लो यहां पर, when a body rolls down on an inclined plane, what it has? Kinetic energy, potential energy, both kinetic energy and potential energy, neither kinetic energy and nor potential energy. जब बॉडी इंक्लाइन प्लेन में रोल कर रही है तो डियर चिल्ड्रन इट possesses both type of energy. लिख लो, it possesses both type of energy. It possesses both type of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy.
Work.
In case of, okay बेटा लिख लिया?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
written?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
लिखो, in case of negative work done. मैं बहुत ही एक्स्ट्रा और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करवा रहा हूं आपको. एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी पढ़ने चाहिए. In case of negative work done, write down. In case of negative work done, what is the angle in between force and displacement? In case of negative work done, angle in between force and displacement. Suppose force इधर लग रहा है, here is the direction of force and here is the direction of displacement. Both force and displacement are in opposite direction. तब बच्चों नेगेटिव वर्क डन होता है. At that time, negative work done, what is the angle? What is the angle in between force and displacement?
180.
Avni Gupta.
180 degree.
Yes.
180 degree.
Very good.
180
लिखिए 180 degree. Write down. The answer is 180 degree. The answer is 180 degree. Now, अब बच्चों, we perform some numerical problems here. लिखिए, एक न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, बहुत ही एडवांस. A rocket is moving. Write down the question. A rocket is moving up. एक रॉकेट इज मूविंग अप, ऊपर की ओर जा रहा है, विथ अ वेलोसिटी ऑफ v. A rocket is moving up with a velocity of v. Rocket is moving up with a velocity v. लिखो. A rocket is moving up with a velocity v. If the velocity of the rocket is suddenly tripled, if the velocity of the rocket suddenly tripled, what will be the ratio of the two kinetic energy? What will be the ratio of to kinetic energy. What will be the ratio of to kinetic energy?
Sir, 1:3.
Think of it, पहले सोचिए. Then
Sir, 1:9.
very good. किसने बताया? We are doing
Sir,
it,
someone
my dear
right now.
children. See that I am going to perform this numerical because velocity get tripled. I know the formula of kinetic energy. I know the formula of kinetic energy, that is 1 by 2 mv square. This is the formula here. Initial velocity is v. That is called kinetic energy 1 kg first. Then velocity get tripled. So kinetic energy is second. 1 by 2 m v की जगह हो गया 3v. v कन्वर्ट्स v डैश मान लो इसको 3v का स्क्वायर. That is 1 by 2 mv square into 9. This is the kinetic energy second. दोनों को डिवाइड कर लीजिए आप. So we can get here kinetic energy second divided by kinetic energy first. That is 9:1. This is the answer here. Write down. लिख लो इसको. Now, अब कुछ क्वेश्चन अपन पावर बेस्ड करते हैं. पहले ये उतार लो आप. राइट डाउन. लिखो. राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन. अभिदित्य शर्मा. राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. अभिदित्य शर्मा can run at a speed of 8 meter per second. Abhijit Sharma can run at a speed of 8 meter per second. Eight meter per second. Abhijit Sharma can run at a speed of 8 meter per second against the frictional force. Against the frictional force. Against the frictional force 10 Newton. Against the frictional force 10 Newton and Kapil can move at a speed of 3 meter per second. Kapil, here is the Abhiditya and here is the Kapil. 3 meter per second against the frictional force is 25 Newton. Against the frictional force 25 Newton. दो चीज दी हुई है आपको. स्पीड दिया हुआ है और फोर्स दिया हुआ है. और जो फोर्स आप लोगों को दिया हुआ है दैट इज फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. नाउ आवर क्वेश्चन इज हु इज मोर पावरफुल एंड वाई. Who is more powerful and why? Who is more powerful?
Sir, Kapil.
करिए इसको, है ना, जस्ट इट इज नॉट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, इट इज न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम। तो बच्चों पावर ऑफ अभी
सर।
कितनी है, फोर्स इनटू वेलोसिटी, पावर का फॉर्मूला लिख लो पहले था। पावर ऑफ अभी कितनी है, फोर्स इनटू वेलोसिटी, मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना आ रहा है, 10 into 8, force is
80.
10, velocity is 8, that is 80. What is the unit of power? What is the unit of power?
Sir, watt.
Very good, देखिए, then power of coupling, that is force is 25, velocity is 3, 75 आया, 3 into 75. तो अभिदित्य is more powerful than कपिल। अभी किसी ने बोला था शायद कपिल is the answer, but dear children that is wrong. Yes, is it clear? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लिख लो,
Yeah.
write down here. Now some advanced question, write down. Find the velocity of a body, find the velocity of the body of mass 100 gram. Find the velocity of the body of mass 100 gram. Mass 100 gram having a kinetic energy 20 joule. Having a kinetic energy 20 joule. आपको निकालनी है वेलोसिटी। We are going to find out here मास दिया हुआ है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी दी हुई है आपको। Then what to do? Mass of the body 100 gram. First I have to convert gram into kilogram. First I have to convert that mass is equal to 100 divided by 1000. That
Sir,
is
0.1 kg.
yes. Convert it. Now काइनेटिक एनर्जी दी हुई है, वेलोसिटी आपको निकालनी है।
Sir, 20 meter per second.
How much?
Sir, 20 meter per second.
Who
Sir,
tells
20 meter per
30?
second.
20 meter per second.
Sir, 20 meter per second.
20
Yes,
meter per
20 meter per second.
Use the formula here. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Kinetic energy आपको दी हुई है यहाँ पर 20 is equal to 1/2 m दिया हुआ है 0.1 v square. तो v square बराबर आ गया 20 into 2 divided by 0.1. ये पॉइंट हटाइए और यहाँ लिख दीजिए, तो दिस इज 400 आ गया। Here we can say 400 So dear children, V comes out to be under root of 400.
Sir, 20 meter per second.
30.
No, sir, 20.
You don't know square root?
Sir, 20.
Who tells 30? So here, take the root of this. That is 20 meter per second. This is the answer here. One more question, last question of this chapter. Then from next turn, we have to revise our all syllabus. You know that your weekly test,
Yes, sir.
उसमें यही
Yes,
चैप्टर आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, sir.
Write down question. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done in lifting a 200 kilogram of mass. मान लीजिए 200 किलोग्राम है ये. आज को आप इसको ऊपर ले जा रहे हैं. When you lifting a 200 kilogram of mass through a vertical distance 6 meter. ये through a vertical distance 6 meter. Assume G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Assume G is equal to 10 meter per second square. ये दिया हुआ आपको. M दिया हुआ, G दिया हुआ और H दिया हुआ, तीनों दिए हुए हैं. If I ask, what is the potential energy? If I ask, what is the potential energy?
MGH.
Or what is the work done? हमने पूछा work done.
Sir, 12,000 joule.
Work done is equal to the potential energy, that is mgh.
Sir,
M is
12,000 joule.
200, G is 10 and height is 6.
12,000 joule.
Sir,
Very good.
12,000
All
joule.
are intelligent boys and girls. So we can write here.
12,000 joule.
Shabash, shabash. Very good. Okay. So dear children, so this is our problem solving class. Different type of questions we have done. और कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछिए. Is it any question? Write down all the extra question and also in your notebook.
Yes, sir.
हम तो आपको साथ साथ ही लिखने ही कह रहे हैं. अब आप लोग लिख रहे हैं या नहीं लिख रहे हैं, that is up to you. Send me the attendance, Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.